Hey y'all, it's your girl Tassja. And welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be on this look right here. I'm just trying to make sure y'all see the look. I'm gonna put in a clip without the lashes too, because this looks look really good without the lashes, which means I need to get less dramatic lashes. But yeah, y'all know, dang, y'all see how this just flipping up? Like, granted I didn't put these back in a package, right? But still, just work for the intro. The palette that I used for this look was the James Charles palette. Y'all know that's like my favorite palette, my top notch palette, my whoop-de-whoop palette. I feel like I keep going out of frame, like not out of frame, but like the light keeps messing me up. I don't really have much to say for this intro. Like the video, comment on the video, on this video, subscribe and share the video to your mama them, your cousin them, your boyfriend, his sister, your ex-boyfriend, his new boo, your best friend, her folk, everybody, anybody. And we almost to 1K, so yay. And yeah, that's all I have to say for the intro. So if you want to see how I got this look, continue watching.
I'm that bitch in my city. Ain't no hoe fucking with me. Got the cold like Da Vinci. Go to sleep in Da Vinci.
Okay, you guys, so I actually recorded this video a week ago, but I just been so tired. But anyways, to start, I took the shade Skip and started packing that into my upper crease area. So do that, and then I cut it out into like a round shape with concealer. I started doing this because I noticed that like that fit my face more than the, you know, sharp tape shape, whatever. So I just started making it into a round shape the best that I could. So yeah, do that if you want to, if you're following this. Then I went in with this brown shade from the palette and placed that into my crease, and I went back and forth with this shade and Skip so that it wouldn't be as harsh, because I just hate a harsh cut crease. I don't know why, but I just hate when the whole thing is ridiculously harsh. So if you're following this, place the brown and then go back and forth with blending it out. Then I took this black shade and placed it on my outer corner of my eye, and then blended that into my crease as well, and went back with the other colors and started blending that back out too. Right here, I'm just going in with this orange shade from the palette to blend out Skip, so that it's not real dramatic, it's not real harsh, it's not real what is going on. So, you know, to soften it back up, you know, we gotta put some orange on there and blend it out. Okay, so right here I'm just going back in with all my main colors, blending everything back out to what I think I want. And then after that, I just cut my crease out with some LA Girl Pro concealer. I cut it halfway out, you know. Was it halfway? I don't know. I cut it. That's all that matters. So I cut it my crease. Cut your crease. If you're following this, you know, do that. If you don't want to do that, don't do it. You know, but that's what I'm gonna do after I place everything back to what I wanted. So after I cut my crease, y'all saw I went in with the black shade and try to like clean it up a little bit. Next, after that, I went in with the orange shade from the palette and placed that on top of where I cut it at. And then and then after that, I placed the yellow into the center of the orange to give it more like a gradient effect. But I think that's the word that I'm looking for. I don't really know. And then I just put white towards the top of it, as you can see, but you can see that it never really shows up on me. The white never does any justice for me. That's my only problem with the James Charles palette, is that the white never shows on me. I don't know what I gotta do, but it don't show. So because the white doesn't show, I use the J. La Rue white gold pigment and place that in the crease. So it made it glittery in real life, but it doesn't really show glittery when I'm recording. So yeah, but do all that if you're following the tutorial. If you don't have the white gold pigment, use the white shimmer or a white gold, you know. But yeah, now I'm just placing the black in my waterline because I did not have a black eyeliner at the time of recording this video. And then underneath the black, I just went back in with like the other colors at the top to, you know, blend everything out to make everything look like a cool little decent finish. And then after that, that was it for the look. I put some lashes on and that was about it. So yeah, that's all for the video. You know, it's gonna be another video that clicks. It's gonna be another video that pops up at the end on the side, you know, and then, you know, like hit my face to subscribe and click on one of those videos because you already here. Y'all already here, love.